Hello, in this lesson we're going to be looking at percentage increase and decrease, and this is to do with the change in value or price of an item. So let's start off with percentage increase. A good example of this is when there's a software update on our Apple or Samsung phone, for example. This may cause the company to put a percentage increase in the price. Let's look at some examples. Here it says increase 85 naira by 5%. What you have to bear in mind for any percentage increase and decrease problem is that the amount given is 100%, is the whole thing. Now we're going to add 5% to 100% to make 105%. And then we're going to calculate 105% of 85 naira. Always remember to round your answer to 2 decimal places whenever you're working with money. Here's another example. It says increase 55 naira by 7.5%. Now let's have a look at percentage decrease. We find a good example of this in the shops when there's a sale and it says 25% off or 10% discount. Here are some examples. It says here decrease 65 naira by 25%. Again, we have to remember that the amount given is 100%, and because we are decreasing it by 25%, we would have to subtract 25% from 100%. 100% subtract 25% equals 75%. Now we are going to calculate 75% of 65 naira. The question is simply asking us to decrease 7,850 naira by 35.5%. Well done. We've been looking at percentage increase and decrease. The main things to remember is when we're calculating percentage increase, we're adding on the new percentage. But when we're calculating percentage decrease, we're subtracting the new percentage. It's practice time.